Hey guys, welcome to Crispin Foods for Kids. Today I'm cooking with my guest Dylan high fives or double fives or how many fives are these? I don't know. Well, today we're gonna make a Dino Nugget Quesadilla. What can you sing?
This is robot dance that we got.
Robot dance. Okay, so let's put the nuggets in the oven. Let's saw open the bag. Away. Adult supervision. Look. Let's open up these nugs. Mmm.
Jurassic Park nuggets.
Spread out the dinosaurs so they all can have their own little home.
I want to eat all the dinosaurs. Meow, meow, meow.
And this guy's like, no, please don't eat me, T-Rex. T-Rex, I'm gonna eat your eyeball.
Yum, 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 yum.
So that's why we gotta cook them. It's hot, it's scary. Okay, begin. Now we wait for the nuggets.
We wait for the nuggets.
So now we're gonna open up the tortillas. Tortillas? Hey, Dylan.
Hey, buddy, what are you doing? I'm the tortilla man. Are you ready to make some Dino Quesadilla nuggets?
on cheddar cheese.
What kind of cheese is it?
Cheddar.
That's good, right? To put a whole bunch of cheese, what we do is what we do. Take cheese, right? You want some of this cheese? Put some more cheese on here. We got to even it out. And we got Dino Nuggets! Be very careful when you're playing with dinos. Kids, make sure that you have parent supervision. Okay, so now we got the cheese on there. We got the cheese.
These are all my friends.
We put cheese on those friends because their friends are sacrificing their life for we can eat delicious Dino Nugget Quesadilla Doolin liking.
No.
Take this, bam, put it on top of that. Dino Nugget deliciousness in your eyeball. We're gonna eat your face up. Huh? Hot stove. Kids, make sure that you always have an adult with you when you're cooking. I am standing here with Dylan to make sure nothing scarily happens.
The cheese so much that I will even eat all of it.
Dylan loves the cheese. Ladies and gentlemen, is a Dino Nugget Quesadilla.
Eat it all.
Dino Nugget Quesadilla.
Dino Nugget Quesadilla.
Dino Nugget Quesadilla. Thanks for being my guest, Dylan. Can I have a hug? Thank you. Until next time, guys. Click, share, like it, and eat as much cheese as you can. Because Dylan says it's good.
What'd you make?
Dino Quesadilla. You like it?
Yeah.